killed. I'm going to beg you all. Let's have silence. Let's have silence. 1 minute of silence for all those that paid the ultimate price during EndSARS. For all those that were killed at Lekki Toll Gate. We will give them 1 minute. And when we say 1 minute, 1 minute will be 1 minute. Please, a moment of silence for those who paid the ultimate price on behalf of every one of us. May their souls rest in peace. We will never forget. We will never forget. They told us, they killed us, and they said to us that we should dare to go into politics and change the government. And that is exactly what every one of us is doing. They killed our fathers, they killed our sisters, they killed our children, and we will let them know on February 25th, 2023, that the blood that they shed 2 months ago, that everyone that was taken down, we will stand here, we will fight, we will not be defeated. Even though they take us down, the world will stand. And I tell you something, and they came and they wanted to kill me that day. You came forward and you said you will stand at the bullet for me. Come and tell Nigerians, let them know that our tears will never be in vain. That will continue.
We don't have much time. I just want to start with this quote. They will announce Mr. Peter Gregory Obi and Obi Danti as the president and the vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are done. This is the last rally. Mr. Peter Obi.
Those who say it cannot be done should not interrupt those who are doing it. For those of you who are Christians here, when you go back home, go to the book of 2nd.
I want to thank the people of Nigeria that I got up today to listen, to be part of this process. That's Baba Ahmed. Now, I want us to tape what we are promising you. Please listen and tape it. Because for too long in this country, we have allowed people to come, tell us one thing, and when they go into office, they do another thing. We can no longer take it. You either do what you tell us, or please, you leave our office so we can hire somebody else. Daddy and I, all your country has done in the past 20 years is to produce insecurity, yes, to produce poverty, to produce joblessness, to produce ISIS strife, fuel scarcity, or one form of suffering or the other. Daddy and I are promising you that we will secure and unite Nigeria. So that when we start, after some years, no Nigerian will say, I'm from the West, East, North, but we'll be proud to say, it's a Nigeria. We want Nigerians to celebrate their Nigerian Day, celebrate their passport. We assure you, we are going to work hard to put people out of poverty. We are going to work hard to ensure that our youth are employed. And the way to do it is that we will remove this country from consumption to production.